In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, you can simply access Tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, tap on it. In this pop-up, select Turn on location to activate it or Close to switch it off. I will go with Close, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my tile is grey, which means that location is disabled. To enable it, click on it, and if it's white, it's definitely on. If you want to, you can also just go into settings and scroll down to access location section over here. Then manage it thanks to this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!